We're doing it on the Nexus. It's Arch Enemy versus Let's Duel on TCG. Dude! Ooh, yep. Scissors. I'll go first. I sounded super tired when you called me, eh?
Yeah.
A lot of prosperity. I gotta try to not sound so tired when I'm making these videos.
Oh, zoo.
I wanna do
That's
that.
gonna be interesting. This is gonna be interesting. Let's see what Let's Duel's gonna add. I know one's Ram and I know one's Imperial Order, so...
One's Conquistador, Imperial, and Ram. I think I'll take Conquistador.
Oh.
Yep. And then I will activate Fire Formation Tenki, adding a Beast Warrior. I think I'll take Whiptail.
You are good to proceed.
And then I will normal summon Whiptail.
You are good to proceed.
Alright. Waiting on you.
I am thinking for it.
Looks like he has a hand trap here, guys. So that's
Maybe,
one
maybe
summon.
not.
Let's go for the second summon here with Hammer Kong.
Maybe we've got something else in store for you.
Third summon with the Chakanine. Chakanine.
Maybe I've
And
got something a little secret
fourth
for you.
summon.
Bud.
Try to avoid Nibiru with
Right?
Dradden. And then, do I set this one?
Not bad.
I set that. You know what?
I could be sitting on evenly.
Cylinder.
You never know. I could be sitting on evenly. How about we start off with the card that you were so worried about?
Oh, hold on. I gotta increase your.
Imperm.
I got it. Let's put yours up to like 125. Your volume.
Yeah, no. The card you were so worried about. Infinite Impermanent.
Son of a.
Oh, how about this? This is kind of going to give away what I'm playing.
Hold on, I'm gonna turn your mic up again. Where's the voice? Let's go 150.
This is kind of going to give away what I'm playing.
Oh. Entis.
Oh.
No, Titanic Line. Ash Dragon.
Yep.
Can't we get Ecclesia.
Yeah. Summon Ecclesia. We're going to activate Ecclesia. And we're going to summon Ecclesia. Since I know I don't have to worry about freaking,
Ecclesia is gonna activate effect. Yeah. What you gonna get? Fleur de Lis. Punishment? Come on, dude.
Dogmatika punishment.
That's the punishment.
Yeah, but remember, I've got Tackland and Grave. Tackland's gonna search what I want. Just remember that during the end phase. If you forget that,
You're gonna get fleur-de-lis. Oh, you're battling first. Yeah, I can do nothing about it. The fuck?
no, you cannot. It's because I negated all your effects.
Oh yeah, okay, okay. Fleur-de-lis, end phase Titanic Glide. Yep.
She is. And you know what I'm sitting on. You know I'm sitting on it.
Eldritch sending. Oh man. Skill drain. Target send that back row. Yes! It's the punishment!
Okay.
Negating its effect. Oh, we're gonna negate its effect, eh? So, Ecclesia cannot be destroyed by special summon?
Yeah.
Extra deck special summon? What is it? Can I be the... From the extra deck, yeah, okay. Lord. I'll put him over here. We'll summon Ram. Ah, yeah. Okay.
Double punishment.
Yep. Ram. What's going on with Ram?
Ram has an effect to activate.
Discard is show at battle. Diagram. Oh.
Yeah, I've got a card effect to resolve too.
Whip tail. Forehead. Forehead's your Apollone. Discard what? Add one Shadal card. You were gonna do the Shadal lock. Nope.
No, I had something else.
For boar. For a monkey. Monkey with arrow.
Monkey with arrow, huh?
Yep. Battle. Gold guy with white gloves attack your Ecclesia. And monkey with arrow, direct attack. Main phase 2. I don't even know how many times I summoned. I'm just gonna stack. Go for Tiger. Oh wait, no, you need a, yeah. I don't know why you didn't fleur-de-lis with...
It just has to battle.
What does it say? You can't do it in the battle?
No, it has to be battle.
No, but you could have, when I summoned the Xyz monster, you could have did, what's it called? Fleur-de-lis.
Yeah, I know. But
negated it, but even though if you negated it, Yeah, actually you should have, and I couldn't go into Zeus.
It just has to require a battle.
That's to increase the attack. I would have run over your Ecclesia.
You can still do dark. See, you're not thinking. That's what I think's funny. You're not thinking. So what we can do is set that. We can do that. I've got an idea.
I'm just going to Zeus it up here. Sky Thunder! Kakeyatsu! Ooh, let's check out your grave here. Can't even see. Yeah.
What?
Oh, what? I fucking pressed it. I pressed the button. God damn it. That's game anyways. Normal summon Ram. Wait, is it? Oh yeah, it is. Normal summon Ram. I misclicked on the Conquistador. Go to Tiger.
Hey, I gotta go.
You gotta go.
Yeah, we're gonna have to do this again in a little bit. I'm getting sent on break, that's why.
Hold on. Let me finish.
No, I've gotta go.
No! Sky Thunder! Finish it! Woo! That's it. That's game. That's game. I win. Let's do wins. Unfortunately, it's not a match. It's just a quick single. Because Tim has to go on break. He's working and playing Dueling Nexus. Comment, share. Look at the sub if selected. See you guys.